What's up, everybody? It's your boy Ediblecat here with ccsours, and today we're coming at you with a short video of the accessories that came with the Levo 2 herbal infuser. I'm going to start out here in the front with the power pod. It says extra strength, and I was like, well, how could it be extra strength? What was original strength? Well, evidently, the Levo 1 was only a quarter cup of material, and these are a half cup of material. And you can actually put 2 power pods in the Levo 2 to quadruple your strength at that point.
I like when they upgrade their product.
Doesn't hurt, CC. It doesn't hurt. You know you're buying something more quality at that point when they're upgrading for you.
I love that.
So, I actually bought a third power pod, which I know I said in the previous video, but I just wanted to touch on it. It doesn't hurt to have extra. It's not that much more to be safe. So this here, which I was confused at in the beginning, is the herb power pod press. So you basically are just using this to pack your herb into, if I can get it out of the box, into your power pod, which, okay. See how that works? A little bit, like that. In, I think it's like this. So I don't know. We'll have to practice that. All right. So that's how we're pushing our packed herbs into places. Well, stand that up like that. There we go. Let's move on here. Everybody's favorite is classic butter. So here we have our herb block tray, is what they're calling it. To me, it looks like a fancy ice cube maker. But look at this craftsmanship. Nice top. Got some citrus on here, some botanicals. Very nice. Open it up. We're storing our extracted butter in these. And it would be an easier way to keep track of how much infusion you're putting into your recently made baked goods, pastas. Pretty much, if you can think about it, you can make it and infuse it with this Levo 2. Here, again, we're going to move on to this oil sprayer. Straightforward, obviously, it's just an oil sprayer, but the fact that Levo went out of their way to make a nice packaged, already done for you, not bad to look at on the kitchen counter bottle. Fill that up with your infused oil, and if you're having a rough day and you're having a pasta party, just spray a little oil on your pasta and brighten your future. Last but not least, we have our gummy candy molds. Mess-free silicone tray.
I'm excited about that one.
I'm excited about these as well, Cece. Let's see. We got 2 of those. We got some extra stuff in here. I don't want it flying all over the place. Oh, literature. Oh, well, look at this. It comes with your very first Levo gummy recipe. There's nothing wrong with making it easy for us. And at the bottom, you can clearly see recipes.levooil.com. Amazing. It's great. I love that. I will be trying. Oh, my God. Guys, are you seeing this? Chocolate drop recipe. We need this in our lives. Everybody like, favorite, and subscribe for chocolate drop recipes. For sure, man. For sure. Okay, what else we have in this box here? Okay, we got 2 silicone droppers, and again we have these 2 trays. They look small, Cece.
Yeah. But I think they're kind of deep, though.
They are deep. Look at that. So the commercial on YouTube that it brainwashes me does not lie. Those gummies do look pretty big. Again, it's a nice silicone, nice, easy to clean up, great caps. Overall, I am currently more than satisfied with what I received in my purchase. So there you go, everybody. This is what is in the kit that I ordered, which I will be linking down in the description. That way you could be just like Ediblecat and get your own Levo too. Right, CC?
Yeah.